Hi everyone, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Well, as you can tell, I'm near my laundry room and it's echoey, but I wanted to update you on how everything's going. I got it painted, yay! I'm so excited. I've got to get my husband to get the big ladder out of here so we can move things back and, well, I don't know. I'm going to, get the ladder out of here because I'm not going to need it anymore because I have finished painting. But I need to start working on the floor and get it all cleaned up. And then I'm going to be painting the baseboards and also caulking the baseboards to make it all look nice and clean and pretty in here. And then we're going to decorate it, and I can't wait to do something with that. So I think a little shopping is in my future. I'm going to need stuff. But anyways, I'm super excited. Let me show you how it's looking. Here we are. It's gray now. If you remember from my other video, it was blue, but I got it all painted. I've taken off some of my tape and it looks so nice. Nice gray paint, better than that blue I had in here. Even my husband said it looked better gray, and it does. It's all painted, it looks great. I've got my washer pulled out because of course I had to paint back here, and that was a job, let me tell you. And then above the cabinets, up there was really hard to do too. That's why we've got this big ladder in here for that. My feet were killing me being on that. But anyway, so there you see, I've got it all painted. And of course there's shadows in here because of the light. But yes, I'm excited now to get my floor cleaned because you can tell it's dirty. Also, the light shines on it funny, but I do need to clean this. I got to clean the grout in here as well. I'm going to repaint these baseboards to make them whiter because they're kind of dingy looking. Plus, they need repainting. And then, of course, I have this little space here I can decorate. I've got this little shelf up here I can put something on. And then, of course, I have this big wall. And I did talk to my husband about maybe shiplapping that wall, but we haven't decided yet for sure. We're going to do it. So I'd like to put, because, of course, that shelf's going to sit there and it sits out a ways. So I'm not going to have a whole lot of space on that wall, but I do have something I want to hang. I want to get some pictures in here. I want it to look like a really nice laundry room. I'm forgetting where I'm at. Anyways, yeah, I'm super, super excited. I think it's going to look good, don't y'all? And so right now, my kitchen still has all the same stuff in it. Everything is sitting all over my counters like it was the other day, and I'm dying to get back in my laundry room and get my kitchen cleaned up because it's a mess. And yeah, so anyways, that's what's going on. I can't wait to start decorating in there. And actually, I'm super, super proud of myself getting this done in a couple of days. And I did have to go buy another gallon of paint. I didn't quite make it. I thought I could probably make it, but I couldn't. So now I have almost a full gallon of paint left, but I don't know where else I'd want to paint any gray. But when I was doing the area behind the washer and dryer, I ran out of paint down there. So I ended up having to call Sherwin-Williams and have them make me up another gallon of it. But it looks good, nice and fresh. It came out nice with the crisp lines for my tape. I was real happy the tape didn't bleed or do anything like that. I just used the regular Scotch brand tape, the blue. And so anyways, I'm excited. I can't wait to put some stuff in there. So what have y'all been doing? I know now we're talking the next project I'm going to be working on probably after I get this all decorated and pretty is painting Amy. I got her a new bed frame from a neighbor that was selling one, and it's a queen size, but it's a kind of a creamy color, I think. It's not white, and she would like it to be white. So that's going to be the next thing I'll be working on, is trying to paint her bed white. So lots and lots of stuff going on, and so I'm just keeping busy. We're not quarantined anymore, but I just feel like, I wanted to get some stuff done around the house, make it look nicer, for the rest of the time. But anyways, that's what's happening here. And I'm standing in the great room now. You're getting kind of the light's gotten worse, but just walking around talking. Yeah, I still have the shelf right here in the hallway. See, it's right there. And we've got paint cans here from when we had everything painted. And I'm just excited to get started decorating up that space. I'm gonna sit here and talk to you at my table. I know my light's bad. Anyways, so that's what I've been up to, y'all. And I'm so happy it's done. It looks good, I think. I think I'm really gonna enjoy decorating that up. And I just wanna get busy and get the rest of it cleaned, the floor, and paint my baseboards and stuff like that. But I think it's gonna be really pretty and nice when it's done. I'm excited. So I'm hoping my husband and I can talk about it tonight, about what furthermore we're gonna do in there. We've talked about actually getting some cabinets, put it in there, so we don't have that shelf thing in there, because that wouldn't look good if we were actually selling the house. So maybe we're gonna do that shelving unit. I'm not quite sure. We've talked about it. But anyways, y'all take care. Mwah! I'll see you later.